Today I'm going to show you how to replace your cabin air filter in your 2016 Kia Soul. Okay, this is the cabin air filter box right here. The compartment, you just press on this button right here to open the glove box. And when you look inside here, right on top here, you just put your hand inside this cover right here, and you just firmly pull it downward. Apply a little pressure to it because there's some clips holding it, like this. Okay, as you can see, there's some tabs holding it in there. Okay, and in here, I don't know if you can see it clearly. Okay, this right here, this is the cover for the cabin air filter. Over there, there's two tabs on the bottom. Just press on these tabs, push it upwards to release this cover right here. It's a little hard, so just squeeze on it and pull forward. Okay, this is it right here. These are the tabs here on the bottom. You just squeeze on it like this and pull it forward. Okay, and that's the filter here. Just take the filter out. It's a little tight space in here. Okay, just pull the filter out. This is the filter. As you can see, it's dirty. And get your new one and put it back in. If it has the airflow arrows like this, make sure you put it the same way you took it out. This is the part number and stuff on it. So you get your new one and you just slide it back in this here. Might have to squeeze it a little to get it in there. And then you get this cover, put it back in. Nice. And these notch goes in on the top, and you snap it in. And put back your other cover, line it up. Make sure it lines up. And then you just gently press it in. That's it. If you like the video, click like, thumbs up, share the video, leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to see more videos.